everyone, and welcome to Doritos Corner. Today I'm going to make my salad in a jar. The best way to enjoy your salad, to eat healthy, okay? So I just prep it and let it sit in the fridge, and I just grab one to go every lunch. So I'm using my mason jar. You can use any containers of your choice, okay? So whatever jar you have, or you have any container that is airtight, is the best. So always use an airtight container. So these are my containers I'm using. That's mason jar. It doesn't have to be mason jar. You can use any container of your choice, like I said. So I'm just going to begin with all the stuff that I have. And my ingredients are very simple. I have my romaine lettuce. That's the romaine lettuce. This is onions, red onions. I have my cherry tomatoes. And I have my baked chicken, okay? And this is my dressing. This is Italian dressing that I made homemade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the jar. I'm going to spread it in each jar like that. So I just put it in each jar, just like that. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the ingredients that are wet, that you don't want it to, it's fine for it to soak up in the dressing, okay? So I'm going in with some lemon juice. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into all the jars. Just like that. After that, I'll go in with my cherry tomatoes, okay? So I just put a little bit of cherry tomatoes in each of the jars, okay? So I'm just spreading and make sure I have the equal amount in each jar, just like that. And then I'm going in with my onions, okay? So I'm going with my onions. Like that. I'm spreading out all the onions in there like that. I'm going in with my bell peppers, my yellow bell peppers. So then after that, I'll go in with my eggs, okay? And I'm doing 1 egg into 1 jar. So each jar get its own egg. So 1 egg in each jar. Thank you so much for the like and support. Don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button and send some likes. So, like I said, 1 egg into 1 jar. So, I'm just going to do that into each jar. Thank you so much for your support. So just like that, I'm going in with my chicken, okay? So I always make sure I have all the wet ingredients in the under the jar, so that I can keep the dry stuff in the top. So I'm doing my chicken. And I tell you, this healthy lunch is to die for. You make this, you grab and go, because we live in a busy schedule where at times you don't have time to pack it. So I just pack in. And my baked chicken recipe is on my channel, okay? Go check it out how I baked it. Nice and crispy in the air fryer. So just like that. I have everything in there beautifully. Okay, so I'm going in with my lettuce. My lettuce will be the last thing that will go in, just like that. So I'm just going to put it as much as I can fit in there, because you want to incorporate a lot of vegetables in your diet. So I'm just going to push. Thanks for joining. If you join, like. Thanks for your support. As you can see, it is looking very colorful. So I'm just going to push as much as I can. So now, as you can see how my salad is looking. It's looking good. And this is how it is looking. How it is looking. It's looking very, very, very beautiful. Alright, this is how the camera down. So this is how it is looking. Looking very beautiful. This is how my salad is looking. Make sure you have it all covered, airtight. Make sure it's tight, real tight, okay? And it will keep it fresh all week, okay? It will keep it fresh all week. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please do so now. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button, send some like and share, and leave a comment and let me know how I'm doing. And if you're going to try this recipe, say I'm going to try it. All right, until I come your way again. Bye.